kindergarten friends. I thought I would come outside for a read aloud today because it's such a beautiful day. Normally in the month of April, we get to order caterpillars and watch them turn into butterflies. So I'm hoping at some point maybe we'll get to see that. But I know that we're working and reading on nonfiction books, so I brought today Caterpillar to Butterfly. It has beautiful photographs. Remember, photographs are a nonfiction text feature. Here's another nonfiction text feature, that table of contents. Here's what you talked about the other day, a heading, beautiful butterflies. Butterflies are fun to watch. They fly with loops and dives. Some have bright colors, some have bold patterns too. Here's another heading, 4 stages. It's also fun to watch butterflies change. They change a lot in their short lives. In fact, there are 4 stages in a butterfly's life. Egg, caterpillar, sometimes caterpillar, chrysalis, butterfly. Oh, and look right here. It's another thing you've been working on and reading. That is a label. In this another hint, it says word catch, stages, which means steps of how something grows. That's like saying, hint, this is what it means. Stage 1, egg. A mother butterfly lays many eggs on a leaf or branch. Each egg is close to food, caterpillar food that is. Here's another label. This is a Malaysian egg fly butterfly. Butterfly eggs come in all different shapes. Stage 2, caterpillar. The tiny caterpillar bites a hole in the egg. It crawls out. The caterpillar is very hungry. Oh, you know what? I just made a connection. We know a fictional story, The Very Hungry Caterpillar. That's right. The caterpillar eats its shell, then it eats the leaf it's on. The caterpillar moves to another leaf. It eats that too, just like in that fictional book, The Very Hungry Caterpillar. The caterpillar grows and grows. It gets too big for its skin. It sheds its old skin like a snake. They show us a heading here that says old skin. And then here, this is a small white butterfly caterpillar. Stage 3, chrysalis. By now, the caterpillar is ready to rest. It hangs upside down. It sheds its skin one more time. The new layer is called a chrysalis. It is a hard shell inside the caterpillar is changing. It stays in the chrysalis for 10 to 14 days. Stage 4, butterfly. The butterfly. The chrysalis moves. It splits open. The butterfly wiggles out. Its wings are wet and crumpled. Blood pumps into the butterfly's wings. They get bigger and harden. The wings dry. Now the butterfly is ready to fly. Have a good trip, butterfly. Here's another heading. Time for lunch. A butterfly doesn't eat plants like a caterpillar. It has no mouth. A butterfly drinks nectar from flowers. It drinks juice from a fruit. A tube on its head works like a straw. Slurp. And here's one of those, just in case you want to know, nectar, a sugary liquid found in flowers. And actually that little straw that comes down out of its mouth, it's called a proboscis. Cool butterfly facts. Number 1, butterfly wings are covered with tiny scales. Number 2, the world's smallest butterfly is the blue pygmy. It's the length of a push pin from wing to wing. Number 3, butterflies are all over the world except in Antarctica, and they are in the driest deserts. Number 4, there are about 17,000 kinds of butterflies in the world. Number 5, butterflies taste with their feet. They have taste sensors there too. The world's largest butterfly is the Queen Alexandra. It's as long as a ruler from wing to wing. Ooh, that heading, it's big and bold. It says, back off. Caterpillars and butterflies are a tasty snack for predators, but they have tricks to keep predators away. Some hide using camouflage. Some can be deadly to eat. There's a, hey, just in case you want to know what camouflage means. It means an animal's natural color or shape that helps it hide from an enemy. Predator, that's an animal that eats other animals. How can you tell if it's a moth or a butterfly? Here's a butterfly, and look at all these great labels. Another nonfiction text feature that we're talking about. Here's labels on the butterfly. Bodies are slender, can be brightly colored, mostly fly during the day. Antennae are thin and have little knobs at the end. Now, here's the moth. Antennae, slim to a point, and they look like feathers. Bodies are fat and furry, mostly fly at night, and are usually brown, tan, or white. So boys and girls, that's how you can usually tell the difference between a butterfly or a moth. Bring butterflies to you. You can bring butterflies to your backyard. Make a beautiful butterfly garden. But first, ask an adult for help. So boys and girls, I hope that you get outside and enjoy another day in the sunshine, and maybe you will get to find some butterflies too. Bye!